Okay, in the physics 34 paper, I am thinking that the 35-19 question number 2. This seems important. Yes, I know. Then one question related to G claim because the examiner hasn't asked of G claim in recent, so I am thinking that this paper would come. This question of this paper. It is of G clamp, and there is another question of G clamp. So I am thinking that in the apparatus perhaps G clamp would be there. Uh, this is question number 1, February March 18. And then this paper 970234 October November 15. And I am looking at this question. This is question number 2. Question number 2 regarding this diameter power supply question. These are the questions which I am thinking of this LED etc. So question number 2 of 34 October November 15. This is the end of the session.